Hi Panthers! On this video I'm going to show you how to place a hold on a book that's in our actual physical Glasgow Middle School library. There are some different reasons why you would want to put a hold on a book. One is if you are in the building and you can come down to the library and pick it up. That is one reason. Or if a book is out and you want to be on the list to be able to check it out, if it's one of our newly published or popular books. That would be another reason. Or if you want to come by for curbside checkout or meet us out in the community on the Mobile Mondays and you want us to bring a specific book to you, then you'd want to place the book on hold in the catalog. So those are some reasons why you would actually log into our school catalog. So you'll notice it's Destiny Discover, and you'll notice that I am logged in. So you should log into the library catalog to do that. You can search for your book by topic or by popular title, or if you know that there is a specific book that you want. There's a new one on our Virginia Reader's Choice list about Trevor Noah, and so you could say, oh, it's in, so let me read a little bit about this. So he's a very famous author and comedian that people are really familiar with, his Daily Show. And so I want to read his book. You'll notice this is biography. So this is his story. He wrote this book about himself. So if you decided that you would want this book, then you would just simply click here and put that book on hold. And that flags us in the library to let us know that you want that book so we can prepare it for you. We can pull it from the shelf. We can get it ready for the curbside checkout or the Mobile Monday. Or if you're in the actual library, you can come by and pick it up. So that's one way, by just searching for a particular book. Or again, you can go back to Destiny Discover. If you wanted a graphic novel to go along with your hold, then you could simply click on the graphic novels genre and you can scroll down and find one. Oh, I want that Big Nate. I'm going to put that one on hold. And I'm going to scroll down. Oh, I want that Big Nate, but it's out, so I'm going to put that one on hold. And so that way when it comes back in, then you can get those books. Now you'll notice up here, you see the number 2. So if you click on the hamburger menu and you go to your holds, you can see what books that you have on hold. So these are ready. Okay, so this means that you can come get them. So you can either actually come to the library itself, or you can pick it up at a curbside checkout or a Mobile Monday. This one is pending, which means that someone has that book out right now, and when it comes back in, then it will let you know when it is ready. You can also click on your hamburger menu and see what books you currently have checked out. And if it's not on hold, then you could click renew if you're getting close to your renewal date. So I'm going to click renew, so that way it extends my checkout date. All right, so that's how you're going to put a book on hold. So let us know if you have any questions.